Hello, class. Today is Thursday, January the 7th, 2021. Let's review what did we learn about fractions yesterday. So, do we remember yesterday that this top number is called the numerator? The bottom number is called the denominator. Can we say that together? Numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. So, we learned the top number is the numerator, the bottom number is the denominator. And how do we write fractions in words? So, the top number, the numerator, we always write it as a normal number. And the bottom number, we always write it a little bit different. So, let's review how to write it. Let's erase this first. Okay, so the top number for this one, we see 1 and we see a 3. So we're going to write 1, and then we see a 3, so we're going to write 1/3. 1/3. So if we see a 1 on the top and a 3 on the bottom, we write 1/3. Let's try the next one. We see 2 on the top and 6 on the bottom. We're going to write 2. Normally we write 2, just normal, the normal way. And then the bottom, we write 6ths. Because we have 2 this time, we have to add an S. So we say 2/6. 2/6. Right? 2/6 means 2/6. Right? So the next one, we see 7 and an 8 on the bottom. So we write the top number normally. We write 7/8. All right? It's more than 1, so we have to add the S. Let's continue. Let's look at the next one. Here we see 6, and here we see 7 at the bottom. 6, we're going to write normally, just like that. We're going to write it normally. We're going to write the letter in the word 6, S-I-X. Then the bottom, we're going to spell out sevenths, S-E-V-E-N-T-H-S. 6/7. 6/7. The next one we're going to take a look at is we see a 5 and a 9. So we're going to write our 5 normally. We're going to F-I-V-E, and the ninths, we're going to write N-I-N-T-H-S. 5/9. 5/9. So we can see, let's practice all of these again. We see 1/3 equals 1/3. 2/6 means 2/6. 7/8, we say it 7/8. 6/7, we write 6/7. 5/9, we say 5/9. So let's take a look at yesterday's classwork and homework. We're going to review what you guys did for homework or classwork. So we did these 2 problems yesterday. We finished. So let's take a look at number 3. Let's look at number 3 together. Here we see a square. with many triangles. How many triangles do we see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We see 16 triangles. So we already know the denominator is going to be 16. So let's take a look at how many triangles are colored in. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We see 8 triangles colored in. So we're going to write 8. So how do we write that in words? We're going to write 8 normally, E-I-G-H-T, 8. And then we're going to spell sixteenths, S-I-X-T-E-E-N-T-H-S, sixteenths. So we're going to say 8/16 if we see 8 on the top and 16 on the bottom. We see 8 as our numerator, 16 as the denominator. Let's take a look at number 4 now. Let's take a look at number 4. So we see how many triangles this time? We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 triangles this time. So we already can write 8 as the denominator. So let's check out how many triangles are colored. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles are colored. So we can write that for the numerator. So again, how do we write this? We can take a look at the top, right? What does it say there? It says it's just the number 4. So we're going to write the number 4 normally, F-O-U-R. And then, again, we have the number 8. So we can write eighths. Just like that. So we're going to read this as 4/8. 4/8. 4/8. We can see many of these questions use the number 8. So we can say 4/8. Let's move on to number 5. All right. Here we can see the shape. How many triangles are here in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's write the denominator as 6. Now, let's count how many triangles that are colored. 1, 2, 3. We're going to write 3 as the numerator. So here we see 3 as the numerator. So we're going to write 3, T-H-R-E-E. And then we see 6 as the denominator. So we're going to write S-I-X-T-H-S. So we're going to read this as 3/6. 3/6. So that's review of our homework and our classwork. So now this page 66, should be finished.